Hello friends, this is Gopal Trivedi from Uma Cooling Industries. Today we are having one product that is a model number of UWV 150. This is the latest one, the exclusive water vending machine. This comes with the SS304 fully integrated with inbuilt RO system and inbuilt water chiller system. It has got a two different taps, that is a tap number 1 where you can find the automatic glass dispensing with the chilled water dispensing automatically, and in that tap 2 you can see that 500 ml as well as the 300 ml and the 1 liter bottle can be dispensed from this tap 2. Here you can see that these are the 3 payment options, that is one is a coin options where you can insert the 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees coin, and another one is a RFID card option. You can top up that RFID card balance, and third one is the Paytm mode that you can pay by the Paytm. First, we are going to show you the full demonstration of this particular product, and these products comes with the fully make in India concept, and also it comes with the 24 inches wide LED display where you can show your products demonstration over there. The first we will going to show you how the 300 ml water will dispense from the tap 1 automatically from the tap 1. So we need to insert the 2 rupees coin over there. First we need to select the tap 1 option, that is tap 1. It will sound the beep. Then we need to insert the 2 rupees coin. You can see that automatically glass will comes out from the systems and it will automatically fill the chilled water with purified water. So you can see over there that exact 300 ml quantity is been dispensed with chilled water with purified water. So now we are going to show you how the RFID card works. That RFID, it is already topped up with, you can give to the customers, that there are so many balance systems is also available here that can be integrated to all your customers with the different pricing. First we need to, for that we are going to dispense you a 500 ml of water in this bottle. So for that we are going to show this on this control panel. We need to select a tap 2, then the quantity of 500 ml, then it will comes with the beep sound, then you can show the RFID card over here and automatically it will dispense the water. You can see friends, the automatically tap 2 dispensing unit has dispensed already the 500 ml of chilled purified water from the system. So now we are going to show you the third option, that is an Paytm option. In that system we need a mobile phone. For that already I have started with the Paytm, and I am going to scan this Paytm barcode. Already I have, you can see that this is Uma Cooling Industries are requesting for the money. So we need to enter a 2 rupees over there because we are going to dispense a 300 ml of water from the tap 1. For that we need to first select the tap 1, then we need to pay the 2 rupees. You can see the already 2 rupees has been paid to the Uma Cooling Industry. Now you can see there from the tap 1 option, the automatically glass will comes out from the systems and it will fill the chilled water. This 300 ml exact quantity we will find. that quantity can be decided afterward also. It either can be 200, 300, 500 ml or 1 liter. Either we can use all this coin, that RFID card and the Paytm options in all the tabs 1 as well as in tab 2 also. So this is our new exclusive products, that is a model number of UWV 150. If you have any queries and if you have any requirement for that, you please call us to the Uma Cooling Industry on 90262 90262. Thank you very much, ma'am.